Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Desi Faujiah Ngadi. I'm student in English Department, State University of Gorontalo. So today I will explain about speech act and I will to show my PowerPoint. If you think this is important for you, then keep watching. Speech act. Speech act is a minimal functional unit in human communication. It refers to all the functions performed through speaking or speech, and all the things done when spoken. That is, when we speak, we perform acts. These include giving reports, making statements, making promises, and so on. In brief, speech act can be considered as a unit of function done or performed through utterances or speech. Speech act theory attempts to explain how the speaker uses language to accomplish intended action and how hearers infer intended meaning what is said. According to Austin, speech act has two types of linguistic act. The first is constative. Constative utterances imply the assertion of something which can be either true or false. It looks like statements. For example, the earth moves round the sun. The second is performative. Performative utterances imply action rather than statement, that is, something rather than saying something. For example, do it. Do not run in the sun. However, a constative utterance can also have a performative aspect by pragmatic implication. Next is types of speech act. The first is locutionary act. A locutionary act refers to the saying of something which contains meaning and permits to be understood. For example, read the poem. Here the speaker does the act of saying and the hearer understands the words read the poem and is able to recognize the poem referred to. The second type is illocutionary act. When we speak or write an utterance or a sentence to accomplish a function, it is called an illocutionary act. That is, an illocutionary act means an act performed in saying something. For example, shut the door. This utterance may be intended as an order or a request or the like. Shirley divided illocutionary acts into 5 basic types. Consist of the first is assertive. Statement may be judged true or false because they aim to describe a state of affairs in the world. The second is directive. Statement attempt to make the other person's action fit to the propositional content. Third is commissive. Statement which commit the speaker to a course of action as described by propositional content. Next is expressive. Statement that express the sincerity condition of the speech act. The last is declarative. Statement attempt to change the word by representing it as having been changed. The last types of speech act is perlocutionary act. A perlocutionary act is the result or effect produced by means of saying something. For example, he persuaded me to learn English. Thank you. Okay, that's all my explanation today about speech act. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.